Good evening, and it's great to have you with us as we start another week together. And tonight there is major news unfolding as we come on several fronts when it comes to the coronavirus here in the U.S. Tonight, states of emergency in place across several states now. Some members of Congress in self-quarantine, some of whom came into contact with the president. And tonight, the staggering loss on Wall Street, the Dow falling a record 2,000 points, the biggest one-day point drop ever. And some economists now warning this could send the economy into a recession. The plunge so steep at the opening bell, it triggered a circuit breaker to halt trading, the first time that's happened in 23 years. There are now cases in at least 36 states and the District of Columbia. 3 more states added just today, at least 9 states declaring states of emergency. And tonight, thousands more are about to enter quarantine as that cruise ship held at sea for days with sick people on board has now been allowed to dock in Oakland, California. Where are the sick being taken? And then the thousands of passengers who will now be tested and taken to 4 locations here in the U.S. for quarantine. We will carefully take you through all of this tonight, and we begin with that dive on Wall Street. The market's concerned over the virus spreading, the response, and significant concern tonight over oil prices. ABC's chief business correspondent Rebecca Jarvis from Wall Street tonight.
Tonight, uncertainty over the coronavirus causing a free fall on Wall Street. The Dow experiencing its largest point drop in history and the worst percentage loss since the Great Recession. The New York Stock Exchange opening with smiles and elbow bumps instead of handshakes. But within minutes, stocks halted after plunging more than 7%, hitting so-called circuit breakers, a safety mechanism meant to keep the markets from taking a nosedive.
You're down 7%. You've got a 15-minute halt.
At the forefront, uncertainty surrounding the coronavirus.
The effect of this virus is very broad-based and doing a lot of damage to the broader economy.
Those concerns exacerbated by a price war in oil, set off over the weekend when Saudi Arabia cut prices. The move sending U.S. oil plunging 25% to $31 a barrel, potentially eating into profits of energy producers, which employ 6.7 million Americans. Other hard-hit industries, including airlines and cruises, with so many now limiting travel. The largest tech companies, including Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and Amazon, wiping out more than $320 billion in value. A number of analysts now concerned without fiscal stimulus, we could be headed for a recession.
If we're going into recession, we're probably there now. Probably started this month.
Alarming words today from some of those economists who predict a recession. And as you just heard there, as Rebecca reported, perhaps entering one right now. She's live on Wall Street tonight. And Rebecca, the White House is now calling bank executives and CEOs to the White House for a meeting on all of this.
Yes, that's right, David. The president is set to meet with those bank CEOs on Wednesday afternoon as the White House contemplates potential economic stimulus to help avert a crisis, including paid family leave for workers who have been quarantined and school closings. David?
All right, Rebecca Jarvis leading us off on this Monday night. Rebecca, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.